Yo, what's good guys? Btcusd right here, and in this video, I just wanna do a step-by-step breakdown on how I was able to catch 450 pips on Btcusd. And this trade, I shared this trade with the boys in the Telegram channel. If you are not in that Telegram channel, click the link in the description of this video and get started. Let's print money together, guys. Let's print money together. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So guys, this is the BTC chart. So I just wanna like the 4-hour time frame. Then I have to rewind price because I have to rewind price to I think price was this was where we caught it was from where we caught the trade. I just want to rewind price to this point here. So first thing first, you have to know your directional bias. I'm bullish. I know my directional bias. I know I was bullish. I know from the higher time frame, I will have a trade from this frame which I'm longing into 127k, but that's not why we're here. The purpose of this video was just to show you how I was able to catch 150 pips. That's just like I caught the market retracement. So I already have an initial entry from more than 4,000, but that's not why we are here. So go down to the 30 minutes time frame, because from the higher time frame I already know my directional bias. So I think from the higher time frame, this was where I caught from the lower time frame. Sorry, this was where I caught the trade from. This was where I started viewing the trade when price broke above this. This was where I started viewing the trade. So for me, if you look at the market structure from this 30 minutes time frame, you see a series of higher high and higher lows. A series of higher high and higher lows. So this is a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. Then the break of structures. This is the first break of structure. Another break of structure. Another break of structure. You can see after every break of structures, there's always a retest. There's always a retest to a demand zone. After every break of structure in a bullish scenario, there's always a retest to a demand zone, and vice versa. In a bearish scenario, there's a retest to a supply zone. So you can see the retest here to this zone here, to this demand zone here. I didn't actually take this trade. So this was then let me play price for you guys. Let me play price. Okay, playing price. Pause. Let me pause it now. See how price reacted to this demand zone here. After the break of structure, then it retested to this zone here. Tap this zone. It tapped this zone and started going. Okay, let me play price again. Then it was moving. Then another break of structure occurred. Another break of structure occurred. Okay, this break of structure here. So what did this break of structure tell me? This break of structure told me that it's a sign that this market will retest. The market will retest. So I have to like quickly mark out the zone that it will likely retest to, which is this demand zone here. So I marked it out, and this was my entry. This was where my entry was. I marked it and this was my entry. This was my entry. I shared it with the boys in the Telegram channel before it played out. And my stop was exactly below the wick. And my take profit was at this high here, because I know that the way market is moving, it is likely to take out this side. It is likely to take out this side. And this was my trade. This was exactly how I called the trade. You can see I shared the trade at, I think it was at this point. I shared the trade at this point with the boys in the Telegram channel. So let me play the price and let you guys see. So you can see we are in position. Like if we got triggered, like a kind of a sniper entry, guys. A sniper entry, guys. So let me just keep playing price. See how it goes. was going, it was going. So it will get to a point now where I'll just pause. I want to just emphasize on something. Like I want to emphasize on something. I just want to emphasize on something real quick. Okay, I'll pause here. I will pause here. I'll pause here. You can see market broke short here. Market broke short here. So this is what I want to emphasize on. I want to emphasize on the fact that you do not take trades to your point of interest. Yeah, don't ever take trades to your point of interest. Always wait for price to get to your point of interest, because on the normal note now, after price broke structure here, everybody will be anticipating drop to a valid demand zone to continue the buy. You can see that price did not drop. This is why it is like advisable to not take trade to your point of interest. You can see after the break of structure here, let's go back. After the break of structure here, price retested, then it retested again after this break of structure, and also retested here after this break of structure, but it did not retest here after this break of structure. That's why it is more advisable to not take trades to your point of interest. Always have this patience to wait for price to get to your point of interest before taking the trade. As an SMC trader, you understand the importance of patience in trading. That's why I always advise people to like trade SMC, smart money concept. It's good for you. Like it will train you on how to be patient on trades. You can see how market strictly like was trying to come down here, but it did not. I know many people will be anticipating some kind of reversal and take their entry from here, from this demand zone here, but price did not drop to the demand zone, and it just kept moving. So let me just keep playing price. So you see, at this point, price was close to our take profit, but it retested. Go, let me play price. You can see here, price got to a point like it was fucking like, I think like 10 pips away from our take profit when you tested. But as an SMT trader, you have to stay patient. No panic. Just move your stop loss to break even. Just move your stop loss to the recent demand zone, and you're good to go. So let me play price where, okay, and boom, 450 pips done. 450 pips done. 450 pips done. And this was how I caught this trade. This was how I literally caught this smooth trade, guys. This was how I caught this smooth 450 pips trade, guys. So guys, so here comes the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something from the video. And if you know, do not forget to click the link, join my Telegram channel. I always share my trade, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. It goes a long way motivating me to drop more videos. See you guys in my next video. Peace.